Okay, into the back end. Again, no effort spared. Everything done with the intention of using the vehicle, of having fun with the vehicle, and trying to make it as good as humanly possible. The back seat, a little better job of how they did the carpeting and everything else. We cleaned it up. We put this solid panel in here. There's amplifiers underneath it in the spare tire well, which is no longer functional with the original spare tire. A 15-inch won't fit in there, and honestly, with today's systems and everything else, very easy if a guy wanted to make a mount. The seals all the way around the back, brand new. The struts obviously brand new. This sound system is amazing. It sounds great, and with that sound dampening and the matting and everything that we put in there, the insulation, the exterior sound is absolutely shocking. You don't get any. It's very nice and quiet, and rides very beautifully. And so I can literally go on and on for days. I'm sure that I'm forgetting a ton of stuff. Oh, obviously, here we go. Look at the dash. I forgot about the dash. The dash, we completely put in all new digital background.